meron silang sinasabi yung live, work, play. Can you tell us more about that concept ng mga real estate developer ng condo?
Okay, actually yung live, work, play concept na yan, yung ibang developer tinatawag na estate. So, iba't ibang meaning, pero ang ibig sabihin lang naman yan is parang a city within a city.
Okay.
So, kumbaga, yung tirahan mo, nandun na lahat.
That's live.
That's live, and then you can work. Andun yung mga offices, and of course, you can play by having a lot of leisure activities within the city. So yung mga township na yan, kalat-kalat na yan eh. Ang maganda ngayon is yung mga developers, ganun na yung idea nila when building a project. So aside from building a condominium, andun na lahat eh. Kasi yung profit ng mga developers doon hindi lang mag-revolve sa condominium eh.
Yeah.
Imagine they own the mall, they own
Exactly.
the condominium, even the offices within that area.
And at the same time, that is very advantageous sa mga clients kasi biro mo, ako, nakatira na ako doon, hindi ko na kailangan mamasahe. Bababa lang ako, few steps away, nandun na yung workplace ko. At the same time, pag masyado na akong stress sa work, pagbaba ko or pagpunta ko sa another building, nandun na yung paglalaro ko.
May mall.
May mall. So technically, that's a good move by the developers.